Thanks for filling out that form. Listen, you're one of the smart ones. You know something's going on with the foods we eat and the way we live, and you see it every time you step out the door. So many people, 75% of Americans are overweight, and half of those people are obese. And obese is really, really bad because it leads to all kinds of diseases and premature death and dementia and diabetes and heart disease and everything else. So now the drug companies are trying to sell us on the idea that you give yourself a shot or you take a pill and you eat less. Well, it's true, and those things work, but just eating less is not the answer. It's only half of the answer. What you need to do is you need to eat the right things. Your body's looking for nutrients. When you're hungry, it's looking for nutrients, protein, vitamins, minerals, probiotics, postbiotics, all that stuff. And you're going to keep eating until you find it, but the problem is you don't find it because the food supply has been tampered with by big food. So you keep eating and eating and eating, and pretty soon you wake up one day and you say, my God, I'm 25 pounds overweight. What am I going to do? Well, the thing that you got to do is get the nutrients your body needs so it can stop searching for its most essential nutrients. Until you get them, you've got a problem. And taking a drug to stop your hunger is not the answer. So read on, study this, take a look at this. Trilogy is a product that I have personally found both relieves my appetite and my cravings. They just go away. But it's also providing me with the highest quality nutrition I have ever seen in any product. Over the last 45 years, I've been looking at nutritional supplements and products, and there's nothing like this. I personally lost 18 pounds in 3 months. I was never hungry once. But read some of the testimonials that I've sent you. It'll blow your mind. Stuff works. No side effects, no shots, no prescriptions, no starvation. I just really encourage you to check it out because it may be the answer that you've been looking for. I hope this is somewhat helpful. And if you have any questions, my contact information will be in every email I send you and at the top of the webpage that you first visited. Thanks, and I hope we can connect sometime soon.